Hey there, are you looking to sign out of a message on your Mac? Maybe you're switching devices or just need a break from notifications. Whatever the reason, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign out of a message step by step. Let's get started. First, let's open the Messages app on your Mac. You can do it by pressing Command plus spacebar. Now type Messages and click on Return key. Once the app is open, go to the top menu bar and click on Messages. From the drop-down menu, select Settings or Preferences, depending on your macOS version. Next, navigate to the iMessage tab in the Settings window. Here, you'll see your Apple ID that's signed into a message. To sign out, click on the Sign Out button right below your Apple ID. You'll be asked to confirm. Do you want to sign out of a message? So go ahead and click Sign Out to finalize the process. That's it. You've successfully signed out of a message on your Mac. If you'd like to take it a step further, you can also disable iMessage notifications. Then first, open System Settings. Now go to Notifications. Over here, scroll down to Messages and toggle off notifications. This will ensure you don't get any pop-ups or alerts from a message. And there you have it. Signing out of a message on your Mac is super simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more handy tech tips. See you in the next video.